Staring directly into your soul with those big eyes because I am cute, tiny, and definitely planning to scream for more snacks.
Just hear those sleigh bells ting-a-ling, a ring, a ting-a-ting-a-ling, a too, ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding.
Why are you doing this?
Yeah, he's lost, man. He don't know what the fuck to do. I could tell. Damn. He don't got a clue in the fucking world.
These images capture the pure essence of feline chaos that we all know and love.
Is the catfish your best
We begin
friend?
with a regal white cat looking absolutely disgusted by a plastic dinosaur, which is quite a relatable mood for a Tuesday morning. Then we transition to a sleek black cat who appears to be reconsidering every life choice while staring down a feathered toy. The middle frame introduces an orange tabby midroll who has clearly forgotten how to function as a basic biological entity. This is followed by a mysterious void of text that simply states the obvious truth of our existence. Finally, we see a brave ginger warrior cautiously approaching a robotic snake toy with the intensity of a high-stakes action movie protagonist. This tiny fluffernutter just conquered the big scary vet office with 0 casualties and maximum cuddles. From the brave entrance to the dramatic chin rest of anticipation, it was a long journey for such short legs. One professional exam and many belly rubs later, our fluffy hero is officially cleared for more mischief. Watch out, world.
This will be an everlasting.
These tiny gray clouds have officially launched a full-scale invasion of my living room floor. One is currently practicing a high-stakes balance beam routine on my marble tiles while the other attempts to blend into the scenery. They are small and incredibly fluffy, but do not be fooled by those folded ears today.
Chốc lẹ lên. Đứng yên bạn ơi. Đứng yên đi. Đứng yên. Hơi gần.
Cheeto looks like he is judging every single life choice mommy has ever made. A little bit of grumpiness is just his way of saying he needs extra snacks and constant attention right now. Behold this tiny cloud of chaos contemplating its very existence. First it focuses with extreme intensity, then it completely loses the plot as the shiny wand dances above. One moment it is a fierce hunter and the next it is just a confused potato with very soft ears. This cat has clearly reached a level of relaxation that we mere mortals can only dream of achieving. Witness the absolute peak of feline comfort where dignity is abandoned for the ultimate midday sofa nap. The feline chaos is real as 10 fluffy kittens turn this table into a high-speed playground of pure madness. Between the calico stares and the white one wondering where life went wrong, these tiny troublemakers are clearly planning a very adorable world takeover.
Ai?
Quên chưa bà già? Rồi ok về diễn nha. Ủa mà khoan đi, hồi đó ai chỉ bà quay phim nha bà già? Người ta quay phóng giống này, người ta quay cận vô. Mắt thì bà quay hết nguyên người tôi vậy. Bà tính cho nguyên cái TikTok nó thấy cái bụng tôi hay gì? Cameraman toàn để cho diễn viên chỉ không à? Bà chắc chiếc này tôi về tôi đuổi việc bà quá. Giỏi gì nói đây? Tôi đang chỉ bà cách quay, có phải tôi diễn đâu mà dâm vô chị vậy? Tôi mệt mỏi lắm rồi đó. Bà tắt mà quay lại giùm tôi cái. Khổ kì. Đó, phỏng vấn rồi phải quay vậy đó. Dâm chậm chậm.
This fluffy white cloud is clearly on a high-stakes mission to sniff every single bottle in the house. Who knew that floor inspections required such intense concentration and a tail that doubled as a very stylish feather duster?
And if I only could make a deal with my cat, and I get him to stop eating plastic.
When the humans look weird but the kitten is vibing. When you realize your human has been watching you sit like a middle-aged man for 5 minutes and now it is on TikTok.
Doody doody dum, doody doody dum dum, 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 doody doody dum, doody.
That big fat butt.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
สามีผมรักษาคุ้มครองนะคะเจริญรุ่งเรืองในหน้าที่การงานนะคะสุขภาพแข็งแรงค่ะเจริญรุ่งเรืองในหน้าที่การงานนะคะไว้แล้วเลยค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ ข็งแรงร่ำรวยรุ่งเรืองในหน้าที่การงานนะครับสวัสดีปีใหม่ค่ะสวัสดีปีใหม่ค่ะสุขภาพแข็งแรงนะคะรุ่งเรืองร่ำรวยนะคะดูแลกันตลอดไปนะคะ
The Calico was fully committed to the stealthy art of the pounce until the orange tabby decided to main character his way right through the shot. Look at that confused face asking what is going on. It is hard to hunt in peace when your loud neighbor ruins the vibe. Nature is truly majestic until the local goofball shows up. Mistakes were made but zero regrets were actually had by this fluffy orange legend today. Observe the majestic transition from deep sleep into a complete system malfunction. Gravity has clearly won the battle against this feline as his tongue decides to make a daring escape. Life is exhausting when you are this cute and unemployed on a Tuesday.
Kita merasa jengkel ya ketika ada kucing yang buang kotoran sembarangan, tempat jadi kotor dan bau. Untuk mengatasinya, kalian semprotkan aja cat training spray. Ini efektif, bisa mencegah dan melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cara penggunaannya cukup mudah, tinggal disemprotkan aja di tempat-tempat yang biasa dia buang kotoran, baik pada saat dia pup maupun pip, supaya dia tidak kembali buang kotoran di tempat yang sama. Dan ini bisa melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cat training spray ini terbuat dari bahan alami sehingga aman buat kitten maupun kucing dewasa.
This cat clearly thinks he is the king of the world, ruling his rustic barrel kingdom with a very judgmental little blep.
God have mercy upon us.